Langston's blues. Hughes gave the blues another voice, proclaiming racialism's evilness was wrong for usurping the black man's freedom of choice. He's the one who stood on the floor shouting out, "Lord, I'm tired and full of strife," beckoning to the heavens. We can't take no more. Dues was paid in the 20s and paid again as the black man still can find dope quicker than a job. When will this reign of terror end? Alas, he asked, we ask, I asked some time ago. Hughes gave the blues his voice. He's the spook who sat by the door screaming out, "Why Scottsboro? What for?" Showing it was time for America to take another stance. He lifted his baritone vocals and gave our masses here a chance to identify, to become the human that has always been the great African. Langston's blues is an example of paying dues, 'cause Hughes spread the news with his most passionate and melodic muse.
Langston Hughes sang the blues of a dream deferred, of hopes deterred, detoured on a road going nowhere, dead ends.
Dead ends, dead ends. Hughes sang the blues so that we wouldn't have to. Hughes sang the blues so that we wouldn't have to. Hughes sang the blues so that we wouldn't have to. Oh yeah, we heard the words as they danced on the page, vacillating between aspirations and rage. In essence, a sage
whose vision and courage prepared us to move forward into the future and take our place on life's stage.
Hughes sang the blues so that we wouldn't have to. Hughes sang the blues so that we wouldn't have to. Hughes sang the blues so that we wouldn't have to. Turning once deferred dreams into hopes newly redeemed, showing how to get forward movement and elevation for us to raise the consciousness of a new nation.
Because he felt he had nothing to lose, Hughes used his muse to sing the blues so that we wouldn't have to sing it too. Hughes sang the blues so that we wouldn't have to. Hughes sang the blues so that we wouldn't have to. Hughes sang the blues so that we wouldn't have to. Langston Hughes sang the blues.
Gave the blues another voice, proclaiming racialism's evilness was wrong for usurping the black man's freedom of choice.